Ever wonder what this little notch on the corner of a snap-off blade is for? It's actually something you'll find on snap-off blades of all different sizes and from different manufacturers. Whether you're looking at a small hobby blade, a standard utility knife blade, or a larger heavy-duty snap-off blade, you'll often find the same little notch at the beginning of the blade strip and in fact another one at the bottom. And the interesting thing is, it has nothing to do with how the blade actually cuts or performs. It all has to do with how they're made. Snap-off blades are manufactured from a continuous strip of steel. The steel is fed through machinery that forms the individual blade sections, creates the snap lines, and sharpens the cutting edge. And that little notch is created right where one blade section ends and the next one begins. In other words, it marks the end of one blade and the start of the next. So it isn't a locking feature, it doesn't make the blade sharper, and it doesn't help the blade snap. It serves no function when you're actually using the blade. It's simply part of how the continuous strip is manufactured. And because that notch is at the original end of the strip, it also gives you a quick visual clue that you're looking at the first unused section of the blade. In other words, it's brand new. So that tiny notch isn't random at all. It's essentially a little piece of the manufacturing process that stays with the blade. Hope this was interesting. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns.